Hey people, this is my first video regarding Brawl Stars. I am up with Gale in solo showdown. This map is not at all suitable for Gale, but still I will try. There's only a Rico left. We will also get in for unlocking Nani. I have many brawlers left. There's a Rico. Wait. We need to get him off. We have recharged our super. He has only 2 boxes, and there's the win. We got our first win here. This was quite easy. Then let's proceed. Now. There are still 8 minutes left in the release of Nani. Let's try it. So, as you might already know, Nani shoots behind the wall. First, this is the basic attack. Here. And this is how super looks. You can navigate super, but while you use the super, Nani will no longer be in move. So you need to understand that while using your super, after 10 seconds it automatically bursts off. It can get in hits to 3 different targets at a time. If it hits one target completely, you can take around 2100 damage. It has different skills, gadgets and star power. Boom. So this was good. Again, one more hit. Yeah. Let's use our super again. Your super may mainly hit only 2, not more than that. So let's exit. More 7 minutes left. So now let's see. This is a new feature that has come with the recent update. Again, and check this. You are back. I have 2 missions left with El Primo and Jackie. We'll do them soon. Till that time, I have Brawl Box, Big Box, Brawl Box, and Mega Box, Brawl Box, Big Box, Gems, the limited Gale pin. Yeah, I have already bought the Brawl Pass. I already have Gale, as you have seen in my last video. I can even upgrade it, but I'm collecting points for upgrading Sandy. Even Sandy is a very good brawler. So while coming on our usage, let's see. We'll come back again. For this map, the most good brawler which I have seen is Daryl. Trophy pushing with Daryl is quite easy. So let's hop into a match before Nani releases. Yeah, the match has started. Let's see. We need to make sure that we play defensive. There's a Brock. We need to get rid of it. And there is our first kill. This was too easy. Getting the Brock was too easy. We have 2 more power boxes. We'll get power cubes. Yeah, 1 and 2. Yes, we have our super recharged. Let's get that dynamite, because that might be deadly. I'll also get that Nita out. That would be easy. Oh, I have to back off. Backing off is a very good skill. When you come to high trophy levels, you need to know when to back off and when to not. Because if you keep fighting for a longer period of time, you may lose all your trophies. You need to know when to back off. With Daryl, such a heavyweight brawler, you need to wait till the time. You need to wait till the blue zone the poison clouds come to you. Yeah, there's a Jackie over there. We need to get rid of it. That is a 7 Jackie, right? That might be easy. And there is our win. We have got this. Daryl is too overpowered for this map. Pushing with Daryl is too easy. I also am near to 7,000 trophies. I'll also do that. So more 4 minutes and 7 seconds left. As you can see, the gem grab map will also change. We'll open all our boxes in our try to unlock Nani. Let's hop into another match. Hope we do the same thing as we did in the last match. Now. The match has started. One. There is a Gale. It would be easy to defeat him if we have our super up. That's why I'm waiting for the recharge of my super. I just need to recharge my super. Oh, that's a penny. That might be deadly. Oh, I need to back off. This skill is quite useful with a Dariel because if you revive your health, when an enemy comes close, you have your super to get towards him and deal up whole of the damage. This might be easy. Oh, that Gale and Penny are still here. Let's get in some power cubes. Oh, that Gale. Yeah, he's dead. Let's get that Brock. There's a bee over there. Oh, a Colt. Oh no, we died, guys. Still, we tried our best and the bee won the match. Okay, this was not that great as we expected. Still, 6 trophies are too much and we have already crossed 6900 trophies. I don't think that 8-bit might be useful for this map, but still we'll try our best as still 2 minutes are left. And pushing, matchmaking. I hope the matchmaking is good. This is my first YouTube video, guys, so please support me. Please subscribe to my channel. If you also want me to make Clash Royale videos, I also play Clash Royale. The match has started. There's a Tara. Okay, he's hiding behind the box. I know that. Oh, 8-bit is too slow. For this map, we need a quick brawler. BB might be the best one to go with this map. Yeah, but still I've got the first kill. 9 brawlers left. There is only 1 kill done and that 1 kill was mine. Let's get that power cube. Oh, that's too deep. We need to go too deep to take that. Still no damage. That was great. Okay, there's a crow. We need to check. Let's kill it. Oh, there are 2 crows. We need to see. Crow is a quite offensive brawler. Okay, first I need to get off the poison. As in the poison, I cannot heal my health. Oh, guys, there are 2 crows. These crows are quite irritating. Yeah, guys, we died. Still, we came on the 5th position. As 8-bit was too slow, we couldn't do anything. Still, as you can see, I'm up to tier 48 already. I still have events to do, but I'm not doing them. Let's go with Tick for a heist match. Or wait, there are only 25 seconds for the release of Nani. Hope we can get that. My epic brawler probability is too high. See, guys, this is how you can see your probability. Mine is 0.5759. I have only 1 epic brawler which I got recently. That's B. I have 3 or 4 mythic brawlers, I think. Okay, there's a new brawler out. First we'll go with this free box. Are we getting anything? Nothing. So nothing. Let's try up. Let's open the boxes. The latest brawler. The latest brawler is Nani. Oh, Ash is also up to a notification. I hope you also see him. So our first box, we don't get anything. 60. Oh, we got gadget. We got Daryl's gadget and also token doublers. That was good. This is also great. I take this points up for Colt. Yeah, this was good. Okay, our first mega box, 193 coins, but only 5 items. I don't think we get much from this. Okay, guys, hoping for at least one new brawler. Nothing. Again, a big box. Nothing again. 10 gems. Let's go with the big box. Okay, token doublers. Nothing again from this. The limited Gale pin. Yes, this was cool. Only 5 items again. I don't think we'll get something from this. Supercell. Okay, I'll give the power again to Colt. Okay, again. This is my last box. Nothing. Okay, guys. I haven't got anything from these boxes, but I got Dariel's power gadget. Yeah, this is also good. This is cool. I, I have money to upgrade Sandy. Yeah, and I have unlocked Sandy star power. Okay, guys. So our unboxing is done. Let's get